Hi guys, it's Katherine here again and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I groom my brows. So you guys will be needing your blades, you need a Vaseline, but because I don't have a Vaseline, I'm using my hair cream. You're also going to be needing your spoolie as well as a wipe. So those are like the things that you'll be needing for this. And yeah, let's get right into the video. We've come to the end of this video. If you liked it, please give me a big fat thumbs up, and if you have any questions that you'd like to ask me, please leave them in the comment section below and I'll be sure to get around to providing answers to your questions. And if you know you liked content like this, please subscribe to my channel and I'll be dishing out important content, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.